Welcome everyone, this is Shoaib and I'm going to share some off-road experience through Imogene Pass. Stay tuned. Imogene Pass is a 16-mile high mountain pass in San Juan Mountains with an elevation of 13,114 feet. The best time to see the fall colors in Telluride and surrounding areas is first week of October. Views were really amazing just from the beginning. There was lush yellow, orange, gold patch. We started really early so that we have plenty of time on our hand. This pass can be done either way, but we decided to go from Telluride to Ouray. It's the social tunnel that we're passing through.
Tastes good.
Tastes good. Did you wash your hands? Some drone shots at the summit. You get 360 view of the surrounding mountains. At about halfway mark, I knew that there's this big giant rock that's very photogenic, and if you look online, a lot of photos at this spot, so I had to stop here, took a couple of great shots. Is this a beginner trail? Mostly, if you look online, it's rated moderate. I didn't have any prior experience. Reading a lot of reviews online, I was confident that I can do it. Was I scared? Absolutely, yes. There were a couple of very tricky, steep spots that I have to basically stop, get off the car, look at the road, decide what path to take, and then I needed an extra pair of eyes outside the vehicle to help me navigate. But overall, it was very pleasant, enjoyable, memorable off-road experience. This pass is usually closed from October to June, and so opens for 3-4 months when the snow is No doubt, this is one of the most amazing passes I've ever witnessed.
Like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.